3 different winter face packs for dry skin. Strawberry and rose water. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons of mashed strawberry, 1 teaspoon of rose water. How to prepare and use. Take the mashed strawberry in a small container and add the rose water. Mix well and apply this paste on your face. Leave it for about 20 minutes and then wash it off with water at room temperature. Strawberry contains omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin C. It will make your skin healthy and will improve your complexion. Oatmeal, papaya, egg and lemon. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of papaya paste, 1 egg white, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. How to prepare and use. Put all the ingredients in a container and mix well. Apply this paste on your face and neck. Leave it for about 30 minutes and then wash it off with plain water. The oatmeal scrubs the skin while papaya acts as exfoliate. Egg white clears the pores and lemon juice improves your skin complexion. Banana rose water and milk powder. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of mashed banana, 1 tablespoon of milk powder, 1 teaspoon of rose water, few drops of honey. How to prepare and use. Mix all the ingredients well and apply it on your face. Leave it for about 20 minutes and then wash it off with water. This face pack will make your skin soft and get rid of the dryness. These are natural ingredients and are safe for your skin. So, try these face packs this winter and keep your skin healthy and glowing.